This is gonna be the last count. What's up, my man? This is gonna be my last count. The girls are gonna do what they had to do. I'm gonna put my hands over them. The loudest cheers win, all right? DJ Guerra, go for it. Go ahead, girls. Go crazy. Turn around, girls. Hey, you girls having fun? I said, turn around, girls. She's like, I just want to show my body. Yo, guys, let's hear it for the girls. Ah, come on. One more time. Let's hear it for the girls. All right, guys. Let's start from this corner. What you guys think? What you guys think? Move forward. What you guys think? What you guys think? Oh God, what you guys think? What you guys think? What you guys think? Oh shit. Move forward. Ladies, I'm gonna have you guys exit. Yo, give the girls a round of applause. Yo, DJ Guerra, this is a breakdown. This is a rundown. What you got for them? Yo, hold on. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. All right. Yo, hold on. Yo, wait. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, hear this out. Did anybody catch the fucking DJ's face look? He didn't know what the fuck was happening. All right. Give these beautiful two young ladies a round of applause. All right, here's the countdown, guys. 1, 2. Sounds the same. Yo, guys, we need some energy. Guys. On the count of 3, I want to hear this energy that you guys have. You motherfuckers all the way back there. Yo, on the count of 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There is no tiebreaker. Let's split it. Let's do it one more time. DJ. Go for it. Do it one more time. Not on the table. Oh. All that. Yo, okay, guys. All right. Ladies, DJ, you got money. Where's the money at? Chucky blowing money. Come over here, baby girl. Come over here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this one more time, all right? Everybody's attention, let's do this real quick. Right here.